Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy. I got a short little quick tip for you that could save you a lot of time, trouble, and effort. I just went through that. I'm going to tell you what happened. That way you don't have to suffer the same fate. So this is a 99 Civic that I've been working on for my son. I've done a bunch of work to it, a ton of work. I've replaced all the brakes on all four corners, even some brake lines that had rotted through. I'm all done with that work and I'm going to bleed the brakes, and I can't get any pressure out of the left rear wheel at all. I'm wondering what the heck's going on because I replaced the brake lines under here, like I mentioned, all that. What's going on? I traced the problem back to this guy here. This is the proportioning valve for the Civic, and I'm going to show you here in a second what's going on with it, but it is not allowing pressure to go to the left rear wheel. Here's the proportioning valve that I took off of the Civic. And the way this is set up is the master cylinder brings pressure into both of these ports on the sides, and then it comes out here to all four wheels. This vehicle does not have ABS, which makes this, well, a little bit easier as far as the explanation is concerned. It's a split diagonal system, so I believe, let's see, this would be the left front wheel and the right rear wheel, and this would be the right front wheel and the left rear wheel. So this is the one that I couldn't get any pressure to come out of. And what I did was I followed it all the way up to this and basically stepped on the brakes looking for pressure to come out. This is what it should do. So here I'm simulating the pressure coming in, and it should be coming out of those ports. Well, now it was coming out this port. Let's try the other way. So this was the one I wasn't getting any pressure out of. And I'm still. So now I'm not getting pressure to either one of these rear wheels. I posted this on social media and people are like, oh, just blow it out with compressed air. No, that's not working. There's something in here, a seal or something that's gone bad. Something has shifted on the inside and completely restricted flow out of these ports. Here's my quote unquote new proportioning valve. These are unobtaining them through Honda. They no longer exist. The only place you can find these is in salvage. So I got this off eBay. This is what it should look like. See how you got a little bit coming out there and a little bit coming out there. So that's how it should operate. Not like this one, which isn't sending any pressure at all to the rear wheels. So if you're running into a similar problem and you're bleeding brakes and you're hitting your head up against the wall, or you're wanting to cause yourself harm, don't do it. Go to the proportioning valve, have a buddy step on the brake and see if you've got pressure coming out all the ports. If you don't have pressure coming out of the ports going to whatever wheel that you're having a problem with, well then you found your problem. Proportioning valve. In addition to what I just showed you, which was a failure of this part, there are other things that you need to watch out for with proportioning valves, particularly if all the fluid was gone from the system. Older General Motor vehicles in particular have a valve inside the proportioning valve that has a special clip that you need to put onto it in order for fluid to flow through it. So that may be why it's not bleeding out. Also, in today's modern vehicles, we've made it so sometimes you have to use a scan tool to bleed your brakes. So instead of just using a buddy and their foot, well, now you gotta plug in a scan tool and bleed it out that way. Hey, that's progress, right? Anyway, I hope this information was helpful to you and saved you a lot of headache, time, and stress and all that. If you have automotive questions not covered in this video, I ask that you head to EricTheCarGuy.com. That will be linked down in the description along with additional information about brakes and stuff that could be helpful to you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and do all those things that help me make a living. Really, really, really appreciate that. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. I will see you next time on the next episode of Eric the Car Guy.